This is Sydney Metro, Australia's biggest public transport project.
The collaboration with Sydney Metro came about through a selection process, so I was invited to propose an idea for this station. I wanted to tell the story of Sydenham through the voices of the people who know this place better than me. I spoke to the people who have lived here for generations, or who travel through here regularly using the train station, or that work here regularly or have grown up around this area. And I kind of took notes as we were having these conversations, and the notes are almost like mind maps, but they're also just kind of gathering textures of place. And my idea was that then when we come here, I come here actually with all these notes on A3 sheets of paper, and a gust of wind blows the notes and they land everywhere across the station plaza. And that's kind of what you see here. So each one of these now bronze plaques is literally a translation of these A3 pages of notes. I was so excited to think about how I could make a public artwork that wasn't monumental, that wasn't kind of singular, one thing, one voice, that really enabled us to hear many voices of this place and enabled me to listen to the site through the voices of others. I hope these plaques provide future commuters and users of Sydenham Station a chance to kind of pause and meditate on this place and the significance of this place to the people that use it. So it's something that hopefully will grow for the users of the station, so the more they come and they'll notice it more. When you first arrive here, you don't even notice it, but then it's like the detail is infinite. You can go into it and into it further. So I hope it's an artwork that keeps providing nourishment for the users of the station.